Have you ever opened a spreadsheet and immediately regretted it? Today I'm going to show you how to clean this entire messy dataset using Claude directly inside Excel using a simple prompt. Let's jump in. Traditionally, cleaning messy data in Excel requires using Power Query to manually transform columns step by step or combining formulas like trim and proper to standardize values. While powerful, these methods can become time-consuming and complex when dealing with inconsistent formats, written text values, validation issues, and large datasets that require ongoing maintenance. Even small formatting inconsistencies can break calculations, forcing extra troubleshooting before analysis can begin. Now let's jump straight into Claude in Excel. Instead of writing complex formulas, we open the Claude panel. Select Transform Messy Data to have Claude clean up my data, standardize formats, fix inconsistent entries, remove duplicates, and organize into a structured table with a pivot table summary. Claude understands the structure of the dataset and applies the transformations instantly, turning messy data into analysis-ready information with just a prompt. Behind the scenes, Claude analyzes your Excel file and generates Python code using pandas to transform the data. It inspects structure, removes duplicates, handles missing values, standardizes column names, fixes data types, strips whitespace, and even detects outliers. Your plain English prompt is translated into a structured data cleaning pipeline, running automatically in the background. Now watch what happens when we let Claude loose on this survey data. It's identifying inconsistent date formats and converting them to a single standard. Misspelled or mixed case names get normalized. Email addresses are cleaned and validated. Ages stored as text are converted to proper numbers, and the comment column is cleaned up for consistency. In seconds, Claude transforms a messy, inconsistent spreadsheet into clean, analysis-ready data. No formulas, no manual edits, just one prompt. In the right-hand panel, Claude provides a detailed data cleanup summary with a table showing each issue found, real examples from your data, and the exact fix applied. It then generates a pivot table summary and a companion bar chart for visual analysis. But it doesn't stop at cleaning. Claude surfaces key insights, calling out that HR has the lowest satisfaction and recommendation ratings across all departments, giving you a clear signal to investigate further. Let's take Claude's advice and dig into that HR flag. Looking at the pivot table and bar chart side by side, you can clearly see HR sitting at the bottom for average satisfaction ratings compared to every other department. The bar chart makes it immediately visual. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss future Claude videos. Now go click on my suggested video before YouTube's algorithm picks one for you. See you soon.